Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, another in our burger episode. We're going French again. So today, our burger is inspired on a French sandwich. So a crispy sandwich with Gruyere cheese and ham. It is known as the Croque Monsieur. So, voila, Croque Monsieur burgers. First thing we're gonna do, take a bowl, we're gonna chuck a couple pounds of ground beef in there. Now, of course, we're using our aged ground beef. We've made that in an earlier video. You can see it right there. And to our 1.5 to 2 pounds of ground beef, we're gonna add about a teaspoon of salt and pepper. I got them mixed here. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, because it's French. And we're gonna add about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna mix all that up, and because of the amount of bread I have, we're gonna make 5 patties out of it. This ain't science, it's art. Okay, we're gonna take that and form it into 5 equal size bowls. Now at this point, you need to do some brain thinking. We're not putting these on hamburger buns where you'd want a round patty. We're putting these on sourdough, and it depends. If you get crazy large pieces like this and then end up cutting them in half, well, you want meat for that whole thing, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna form these into squares to better fit my bread. Okay, since we're not doing our normal smash burgers, we're cooking these on our charcoal grill. Make sure you put a good divot in the middle of your burgers to prevent doming. All right, so as I'm out cooking these on the grill, the director is going to take care of the bread. She is going to butter both sides of the bread. She's going to chuck them onto our griddle back here. She's going to toast one side, flip it, and then on the other side, I got to wash my paws before I grab the cheese. Wait one. So she's going to toast one side, then she's going to flip them, and then she's going to put some of this fine Gruyere cheese that has a little bit of nutmeg in here. So what I did is I took a 8-ounce block of the Gruyere, I shredded it myself, and then I added a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg to this. It smells incredible. I think it's going to be incredible. So we're going to go out and cook those burgers as the director's doing that, and we'll see you. Heck, this is easy. We'll see you when it's time to put it all together. So after I flip the burgers, on top of them is going to go a couple pieces of good deli ham. And we'll see you when it's time to put all this together and find out. The Croque Monsieur burger. Is it worth a damn or not? Did I waste a bunch of time learning French? Probably not. We'll see. Oui, oui. Or, if you can't speak French, ooh-I, ooh-I. All right, we're in from the grill. Let's get one of these bad boys put together and get some judgment from the director. So, we're gonna take one of our toasted sourdough bread pieces with our melted Gruyere and nutmeg cheese. Gonna hit that with a little bit of Dijon. Hit that with a patty. And then top it off. Now I know the director can't eat one of these huge things on her own, so we're gonna get it cut. Okay, here it is, the moment of truth. Was this worth all the trouble? Now she's taken a bite. The director has some gluten issues. This is sourdough bread. It doesn't give her issues. So, this was an easy call for me.
Very good.
So what is it that makes it very good? Is it the ham? Is it the cheese? Can you taste the nutmeg at all in that cheese? I'm curious about that.
Can't really taste the nutmeg. The ham Really adds another flavor to your burger. Mm-hmm. I was afraid that by looking at it, you really wouldn't taste the cheese because you really don't see a lot of the cheese. But it gives it this nice creamy texture. I like it.
Awesome. There we go. We've pleased the director. That's all that matters. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a comment, and we will see you next time. Until then, fair winds and following seas. Croque Monsieur burgers, uno, uno, uno. Because I don't know French.